repair, and we are gonna fix this. How we're gonna fix this? We're gonna show you a tutorial in this video. This is how the patch looks like. You're gonna open it up. Once you open it up,
this side is sticky.
okay, the side that's sticky goes inside, and the side that is non-sticky is in the outside. And you wanna cover the area of the wall. Let me just zoom out. This is a fairly important process here, step, because you want to make sure that the hole is covered, so that when you put your filler later on, the filler is gonna, so that it's gonna look good. And once it's been, the sticky part is attached, is inside, non-sticky is outside. It has covered fairly, it's a 10 by 10, so the hole that I showed you earlier, if it's that big, this patch is gonna cover 10 by 10. I think it kind of like covered over 90% or 95% of the hole with the patch. But you think that the patch is not, big enough, you can always get a big one, and then maybe you can cut the sides according to the hole in your wall. So after that's been done, now we're gonna add the filler on top of the patch this way. Let me just, this is how we do. Guys, just bear in mind that this is done by non-professional, but then we have done this quite a few times, so it's not the first time that we are doing this. It's our 4th or 5th time.
저게 쏟지 않죠?
यतिलाई भयो अहिले guys, this is how you're gonna do the sanding. There was a hole in this wall, couple of holes earlier. So after putting some patches on there, so we let the patches to dry, and once the patches are dry, we're gonna sand them so that the texture is gonna How are the edges now? Are they all good? So kind of blending with the wall itself. Yeah, it's coming along fairly nicely now.